Hello friends. So today we will be seeing how does RePOS unlocks the various infinite possibilities for you and for your business. So to know more, let us go inside and see what are the different industries, what are the different verticals that RePOS can cater to. So to start with, RePOS is a point of sale software. We can call it as a restaurant POS or as a retail POS. So RePOS can be used across restaurant sector as well as across the retail sector. Now friends, as we all know that restaurant and retail is in itself a huge market and has got very different sub verticals. So let us deeply understand that which are the other verticals in these two industries to which RePOS can work and can help to manage and automate your business and to grow it exponentially. So over here, as you can see in the restaurant sector, RePOS can be used in fine dine restaurants, cafes, quick service restaurants, fast food joints, takeaways, home deliveries, cloud kitchens, bakeries, sweet shop, dessert store, and ice cream parlor. And in the retail segment, we can cater to garment stores, supermarkets, FMCG stores, gourmet stores, roasteries, footwear, accessory stores, stationery stores, gift shop, vegetable store, and meat shops. So, friends, these are all the sub verticals to which RePOS can cater to. And RePOS does not only help them to manage their billing but also helps them to manage their petty cash, their inventory, stock and control, supply chain, offers, marketing automation, and reporting. Reporting can be made available on a Windows software or on a mobile application and can also be obtained via an email. RePOS can help businesses having a single outlet to businesses having 20 outlets, 50 outlets, 100, 200, or even more. So we can provide our product and service to very small businesses to enterprise clients. It's available on the Windows platform as well as on the Android platform. And we provide our solution on cloud as well as on premise. Our product is a native application on both the platforms and will needs to be downloaded and installed and can be made available by on-prem installation as well as on cloud installation. So let's see which are the geographies where RePOS is currently providing its product and services. So we are based in India and providing a solution across the country. We are also providing a product in UAE, in Mauritius, Tanzania, Kenya, Rwanda, Cameroon, and Ghana. And every month we are going on adding clients from different geographies. So if you want to know more or you wish to see a proper product demonstration of RePOS for your retail or restaurant business, you can visit our website re-pos.in, or you can also write us an email to marketing@re-pos.in, or you can also get in touch with us via WhatsApp on +9176 006 03011. So, friends, if you wish to know more, please do contact us and let us know how can we take this relation ahead. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye.